Hey kids, welcome to our DNA Discovery Adventure. Today we're going to learn all about DNA with our amazing friends, Miss C and Mr. G. Are you ready to dive in? Let's start with our first question. What does DNA stand for?
DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid.
That's right. It sounds complicated, but it's just a special code that tells our bodies how to function.
Great job. Now, where in our bodies can we find DNA?
We can find DNA in almost every cell in our bodies, especially in the nucleus, which is like the control center of the cell.
Exactly. It's like finding treasure in tiny boxes all over our body.
On to question 3. What is the shape of a DNA molecule sometimes compared to?
The shape of a DNA molecule is often compared to a twisted ladder or a double helix.
Yep. Imagine climbing a twisted ladder. That's the cool shape of DNA.
Now, why is DNA important for living things?
DNA is important because it contains all the instructions that help make us who we are.
It's like a recipe book for our bodies, telling everything from how we grow to how we function.
What do the letters A, T, C, and G represent in DNA?
They represent the four chemical bases in DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine.
And just like best friends, they pair up, A with T and C with G, forming the rungs of the DNA ladder.
That's amazing. Now, how does DNA help determine what we look like?
Well, DNA contains genes, which are like instructions for making proteins that shape our physical traits, like eye color and height.
Exactly. It's like having a blueprint showing how tall you'll be or what color hair you have.
Can plants have DNA too, or is it only in animals?
Yes, plants have DNA too. All living organisms, plants, animals, and even tiny bacteria have DNA.
You got it. Just like us, plants have their own special instructions in their DNA.
So what is a gene, and how is it related to DNA?
A gene is a specific part of DNA that contains the instructions for making a particular protein.
Think of genes as recipe cards in a cookbook, while DNA is the entire cookbook.
How do scientists use DNA to learn about different animals or plants?
Scientists analyze DNA to study how different species relate to each other and how they adapt to their environments.
They can also track evolution and identify new species. It's like a big adventure for them.
And finally, why do you think every person has a unique set of DNA?
Every person has a unique set of DNA because the combination of genes we inherit from our parents is different for everyone.
Exactly. Just like how each snowflake is unique, so is everyone's DNA.
Wow, what a fantastic journey we had today discovering DNA. Thank you, Miss C and Mr. G, for sharing your awesome knowledge with us. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, keep being curious.
Thank you for having us. Remember, DNA is the code of life.
Keep exploring and asking questions, kids. The world of science is full of wonders.